Welcome everyone. Let's dive into the EAM plant maintenance module. First, we need to set up the equipment that will undergo maintenance. Wearing our maintenance engineer hat, we'll define the equipment and its maintenance requirements. This includes specifying whether the equipment is linked to a work in progress or bill of material machine and if it's connected to an asset or not. To manage maintenance costs, we have two options. Link the equipment to a CAPEX project, sending costs to an asset suspense account for future inclusion into the asset being built, or assign it to a service ledger code, where budgets can be set for financial planning and control. With the equipment set up, we now define the service structure. Think of this like a car service. The equipment is the car, and the service type could be minor or major. Each with its own parts and service needs. Here, we define the operations, which could be internal or subcontracted, and the required parts. We can also link operations to a work-in-progress machine, ensuring that maintenance capacity is planned, preventing overlap with production scheduling. This setup allows us to plan material needs using the maintenance parts review program, or to plug into existing procurement processes using material requirements planning. It also allows us to budget accurately and to facilitate the scheduling of production downtime accordingly. Now, switching to the maintenance planner role, we can now schedule jobs for the equipment. There are two options available. Either we schedule recurring jobs or enter them manually. For recurring jobs, we can choose between scheduling by number of days or fixed days per month. Let's use fixed days to schedule maintenance for the next 5 months. And there, with a few clicks, we've scheduled 5 maintenance jobs, saving our planner considerable time. For unplanned breakdowns, we use the maintenance job entry program. Here, we specify the equipment, service type, and details. Since breakdowns are unpredictable, allocations can be added later when the full scope is known. Once maintenance is underway, we use the maintenance job issues program to issue planned materials and labor. After completion, the maintenance job closure process finalizes the job, transferring costs to the service ledger.